Lombardo here with ForConstructionPros.com. I am in the Astec Industries booth at World of Concrete. We're going to learn today about the sustainable initiatives that the company has and how they're going to move that process forward for the concrete industry. So I'm here with Matt Webb, who is the channel partner for CarbonCure, and also Hapreet Singh, who is the regional sales director for Canada for Astec Industries. So guys, sustainability is something that contractors have been talking about, but not really doing anything about, and that's a challenge for the industry. So CarbonCure has kind of stepped in. They're going to start being a partner for the industry. And really, how does your technology help producers reduce their carbon footprint?
Well, what our technology does is it injects CO2 into fresh concrete during the mixing process. And at that point, what it's doing is it's actually helping increase the compressive strength of the concrete. But together with that, what it's doing is it's helping a lot of these producers accelerate their sustainability initiatives, because it's less cement that's actually going into the concrete, and that difference is being made up by our technology.
With Astec being the size we are, this is truly where we can show ourselves as a market leader. It is truly about sustainability. You know, it's not about just selling your product or making the revenue. We truly wanted to be the forefront of leading the sustainable goal CarbonCure has, and this was a perfect partnership to take into account to do that.
So Matt, let's really dive into what this looks like for producers, because I'm sure they're hearing about injecting CO2 into their mixes and they don't really understand what that looks like. So tell me, is there training involved? Is there any downtime in mix production?
Our goal is to support that producer from end to end. The nice thing about it though is there's really no impact on their operations. To get everything up and running, you're looking at probably a day. So the CO2 tank would be delivered, and then from there, you've got our valve box, and then you've got the control box. The control box is really the brains of the operation. And so what the control box is doing is integrating in with the producer's batching software to help determine what that precise dose of CO2 would be. We have a team that would support the installation and also helping that producer market CarbonCure to their customers as well.
Sustainability is not something that is going to go away in the industry. In fact, there's only going to be increased demand for green products and for things like CarbonCure. So what does the future look like for both CarbonCure and for Astec to advance these sustainability initiatives?
There's over 450 plants globally that are using CarbonCure. And a lot of that growth has really come in the last couple of years. And the reason for that has been the desire for green building projects and technology like CarbonCure. Even for us as a company, our company mission is to reduce embodied carbon in the built environment by 500 million tons by 2030. And we see this partnership with Astec as an opportunity to just accelerate that goal even faster.
No, it's a great point, Matt. And you know, when we hear Matt and CarbonCure talk about these goals, it's a very exciting time for us to be a part of that. We truly want to be leading that into the future. We want to be thought leaders. We want to be there into those kind of partnerships. So this is a great opportunity for us to piggyback on that and be in the forefront as we really get into this exciting opportunity.
Well, thank you both so much for joining us. It's great to hear the forward thinkers in the industry and sustainability, and we look forward to learning more about Astec and CarbonCure's partnership in the future.
Great, thank you.